After years of financial struggle, BSNL is staging a strong comeback. The state-run telecom giant has posted a net profit for 2 consecutive quarters, a feat not seen in over 18 years. Let's understand what sparked the turnaround. Now first, let's talk numbers. BSNL's performance in the January-March 2025 quarter has turned heads. The company posted a net profit of Rs 280 crore in Q4 FY25 compared to a massive 849 crore rupee loss in Q4 last year. This comes after the company reported a 262 crore rupee profit in Q3 FY25, making this the first back-to-back net profit in 18 years. All this after its full-year loss came down by 58% to 2,247 crore rupees over FY24. Now, what helped BSNL bounce back? Well, its operating revenue grew to 20,841 crore rupees, up 7.8% year-on-year. Its EBITDA more than doubled to 5,396 crore rupees from 2,164 crore. This clearly shows stronger internal efficiency and improved income generation. The profits were no accident. Multiple revenue streams saw solid growth, including mobile and broadband services, leased lines, and asset monetization. Alongside growing revenue, BSNL also tightened its total expenditure and finance costs. While they saved on costs, BSNL did not hold back on capital expenditure. Heavy investments went into rolling out 4G and 5G networks, upgrading old fiber backhaul and core infrastructure. So what lies ahead for BSNL? Now, while the company aims to continue its 4G 5G expansion using Atmanirbhar equipment, experts say that high depreciation and amortization from recent spectrum acquisitions could exert temporary pressure on profits in the near term. Stay tuned to Business Standard for more such insights into the telecom industry.